kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kray api na kabenda ka neat.
Kaladon kajing Tyllun bakajing Thaw khendau. Haki benta jong kesurok kabadan Harum jong Laitlyngkot. Ya kabalai thu hangi bakani kadai kajing ja. Kabala ja halat kensau. Kawai ka kali jong kitores kabathu banhiar ki thandau ki klasha Syngngeit ha umau ba ubat Tyllun Henry loang ba om syam ladon ba mensau.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.